Okay, I am here again to react on a new video. The person you are watching now is the one they called Biafran Child. Biafran Child has made a U-turn. I'm not surprised that saying now that Biafran Prime Minister is not was not arrested, that nobody arrested him, blah blah blah. I saw this kind of video before from some of their copy retweet people. I felt maybe this one is trying to mock Biafrans as usual, but I don't take it serious. Now I just decided to pay attention to the video. So it is true that he's actually want to. Not him alone. Many of them have come to a realization that's not what happened. That someone was not PM was not arrested. Now I understand why Master Prophet made the video that he made today, trying to do damage control after celebrating Kanibo Geswepo. Nonsense comments. But I'm not here for Master Prophet. I just want to tell you that most of them that have celebrated ignorantly, thinking that because everything they celebrated for is going to turn around, and they're going to understand that God in his own infinite mercy has a way of doing his things, because it's not about what you think, it's about what God wants. People pay their life for the same thing that you are mocking. If, like as I am today, if I don't like, that most of us understand that we don't like the culture of our people in Nigeria, and most of us don't like to be identified as Nigerian. But the problem is that you don't have any choice. That's why some of us are still bearing their document and all that. And when you see alternative, you want to hold Nigerian passport as same or Nigerian document ID. Because some of us that have NIN and what have you, having bank account and all that, that's you kind of identify yourself as Nigerian. You are doing it because you don't have any other choice. But woe to you knowing what you know, and at the same time you are claiming that no, you want to sabotage, that you don't trust this, you don't trust that. Is not good at all. That's not how to do. That's not the best way to do. Now, I want you to listen to what this guy said, how he decided to turn around, which is a kind of revelation. And some of them are still wallowing in shame. Now, listen to this, because I'm not going to listen to that alone. Hear him exposing himself.
Breaking news on Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa was not arrested. I repeat, I think you hear what I just said. Simon Ekpa was not arrested. Simon Ekpa is hiding.
That is another lie. Somebody who don't have anything to say, or who don't have the brain, we always make mistake. From that he was arrested down to he was not arrested, that nobody arrested him, that he's hiding. Imagine you hiding in Finland. Just imagine you hiding in Europe. Like seriously. And he lives in Germany, where the same law can be. He should know better that German government are looking for you, and you are hiding when your wardrobe, or you it's not possible. You understand? So, but let us just listen to his foolishness, because I call that foolishness. A matured man like him should know better. Listen.
And the Ngozi Orobeze should come and tell us where Simon Ekpa is hiding.
When he said, "Come and tell us where Simon Ekpa is hiding," tell you as a what? I thought you say we are autopilot. That Biafrans are autopilot. That you are the real Biafran. That you tell mass number with the green for a reason, because you want to go underground with politician. So all of a sudden you want Ngozi Orobeze to address you as in what? As a green or Ipob or D. I thought you say all of you have an oath that's guiding you. Does Ngozi Orobeze, chief of staff, also take oath with you? I thought you said that only you people are Biafran. Others are not Biafran. Just that there's Biafran sympathizers contributing money for you all these years. Now you can go listen.
Because we are waiting for the 2nd of December.
Say we.
For the redeclaration of Biafra.
When you hear them saying we waiting for redeclaration of Biafra, they are trying to mock what is beyond their knowledge. Do you know that some of them actually believe that declaring Biafra in Finland is a joke? I mean, they actually believe that, not that they are saying that, they believe that is a joke, that you are trying to disgrace yourself. To them, you are exposing yourself. Even Nigerian government, some of them that knows what it means, that's why they decided to work on how to stop it. But 99% of some of them clapping and celebrating, they are celebrating out of their ignorance. They don't even know what it means. Only few of them that understand what, and I believe that British government must have briefed them on what that means, because none of them have the knowledge of what it means. If from Ifa or for down to any lawyer from eastern part, I don't want to say the northern part, what do they know? It is British High Commissioner that are giving them the idea of what this may result to so thing. You understand? And they started working, without reasoning, because had it been the reason at all, they would have understand that it simply means that you are going to end up exposing yourself, because it will require the international community to know what you have done or what you are capable of as a government of Nigeria. But I just wanted to hear this guy, how he made U-turn from the whole thing they have been saying. Listen.
All these things that I'm saying, even though me myself were thinking that Simon Ekpa was arrested by the local police in Finland.
Did you hear that?
But I tell you this, there is nothing like that.
Okay.
There is no arrest on Simon Ekpa. This is just a man propaganda. And now Simon Ekpa disappeared. Now they are, just to deceive the gullible people, that Simon Ekpa was arrested by the local police in Finland.
Do you know that when this news came up that Simon PM they have arrested him, people like the one who said that he's a citizen, jobless observer, said that that kudos to every Biafran that put their interest and support to bomb Finnish government. That it is their video they are tagging, the write up they made to Finland government and Finland police, and not Finland police, Finland's president, that Finnish president. That's the correct word. That is why they decided to go after Simon Ekpa, trying to take glory. Now, one of their hitman on social media, he is not telling you that even him thought that that PM was arrested. Truly, Simon told the people that he's going to end you, and you think that ending you is only your source of income. No. Even the way you guys reason, he's going to end it. Look at Nnamdi phone account line.
That is getting to me within 30 minutes ago is that Simon Ekpa was not arrested by any local police. Anybody that know any police station that Simon Ekpa is, they should come and tell us. If you doubt what I'm saying, anybody that is telling you that Simon Ekpa was arrested should come and tell you which police station. Because we have people in Finland. Simon Ekpa is hiding. And the imposter or a person, the partner in crime, this man is the one hiding Simon Ekpa.
Very funny.
Tell Simon Ekpa to pipe low. I tell you this, there is no two ways about it. Go and make your research, and you will come back again and thank me. Where is Simon Ekpa hiding?
My people, I don't need to allow this guy to keep on insulting himself. Let us just show him some pity. Before you go, please like this video and tell me what you think about this U-turn. Anyway, comment and tell me what you think about it, and subscribe. Like the video, okay? Thank you. See you again. I just want to share this with you. Bye bye for now.